Welcome to this recording on getting started with the EBSCO Mobile App. My name is Ryan Salas and I'm a training specialist for Southeast Asia at EBSCO. These are the objectives. It is my hope that by the end of this recording, you'll be able to install and authenticate the EBSCO Mobile App, quickly conduct searches, read and listen, and save articles for later reference, interact with dynamic homepage content, stay organized with access to save items across devices, and share article details with our mobile-friendly options. A little bit about the EBSCO mobile app. The EBSCO mobile app is free and available to all EBSCO Discovery Service and EBSCO host users. It gives users ubiquitous access to the library's content, surfacing search results across the library's EBSCO subscriptions. And these are the features of the EBSCO mobile app. First is the ability to search quickly and make research progress. The app is designed for efficiency and features mobile-friendly displays for searching, scanning results, bookmarking, and sharing. The app also allows us to discover new content based on previous activity, which allows us to find new content in the areas of interest using the Discover Recent Subject feature, which is generated dynamically based on previous activity. The app also allows us to stay organized with cross-device synchronization, where we can jump into any step in the research process, search for articles on the go, use sharing tools, and save your articles across mobile and desktop. It also has a built-in Find My Organization feature where you can search for or geolocate your institution and utilize the library's preferred authentication method for easy access. You can also read or listen anytime, anywhere. And finally, you don't need to log in every time. So once you have logged in, you don't need to log in on subsequent sessions. The EBSCO mobile app is available for both Apple and Android devices. So if you want to experience the power and convenience the EBSCO mobile app offers, you can scan the QR code and download the app now. Before downloading the EBSCO mobile app, please make sure that your operating system meets the minimum requirements for installing the EBSCO mobile app. For Apple iPhones and iPads, the minimum is iOS 11 Plus. For Android devices, the minimum is Android 9 Plus. And we also have Chromebook that supports Android apps via Google Play. And here is the app. So once I tap on it, it will bring us to the app's main landing page. So as shown on your screens, there are two ways to sign into the EBSCO mobile app. First, if you tap on Access with your institution, it will prompt you to log in using Find My Organization. Tapping on this button will allow you to search for your library, school, or company and log in to access your EBSCO resources. This access option will allow you to access your library subscribed content. The second option, which is Try EBSCO Open Research, will be helpful for users who are not affiliated with an institution subscribing to EBSCO's products, are affiliated but can't find their institution in the Find My Organization list, or are able to find their institution in the Find My Organization list, but they don't have the login credentials to sign into their profile, or the credentials don't work. To begin, we're going to tap on Access with your institution. When you tap on this button, the app will ask you to sign in by finding your institution. You may find your institution by searching by name, postal code, or city. So I'm going to go ahead and search for the institution I am affiliated with. So once you've selected your institution, it will prompt you to log in using your institution's preferred authentication. If your institution allows personal user authentication, you can sign in with Google. If you have previously created a personal user account for accessing EBSCO Host or EBSCO Discovery Service, you can also log in using the existing login credentials. When you log into the app with your personal user credentials, any articles you save in the app are automatically saved to your personal folder. Another option is if your institution is set up for a third-party login, including institutional single sign-on, Open Athens, Shibboleth, or Proxy. Instead of being taken to the EBSCO login screen, you'll be prompted to log in with the associated third-party login screen. I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to log in using my patron ID. So once you have successfully logged into the EBSCO mobile app, you will see the home screen or the landing page of the app. You can return to the home screen at any time by tapping the home icon at the bottom of the screen. If you sign in using your institutional login, you'll notice that the interface is not customized. So if you want to log into your personal account, just tap on the person icon and tap on sign in to my EBSCO. So one of the advantages of signing into your personal user account is when you sign into the app with your personal account, articles you save in the app are also available to you in your My EBSCO folder when you sign in to the EBSCO host with your personal account credentials. There is also an option to create your free My EBSCO account. To sign up, just click on Sign in to My EBSCO, and there is an option here to create an account. So just tap on the create an account and it takes you to this form that sits behind it. You can fill out this form or you can also continue with Google. You can use your Google account to sign in, and as you can see, I am now affiliated. From the home screen, so let's tap on the home screen. So you have here your 3 rows. I have already logged into my EBSCO account. So first we have the recently viewed. So this will allow you to view the articles that you have recently viewed while using the app. You can tap on the article if you want to view it again. Meanwhile, the recommended for you will show you related materials. So the recommendations in this area are displayed based on the most recent articles and ebooks that you have viewed while using the app. And finally, we have the discoveries and subjects. So subjects in this area are displayed based on articles you have viewed while using the app. You can tap a subject in the discoveries and subjects area to execute a search of articles related to that search. To conduct a search, you can tap on the magnifying glass icon, and this will allow us to enter our search terms in the search box. You may also notice that you have here your recent searches, so you can rerun your search by tapping on your search terms. You can also use your filters at the top to filter content to peer-reviewed resources. You have full text articles and you have the date range. We can use information technology as our keyword. And as you can see, once you enter your keywords, the system will try to recommend terms. So you can tap on one of the suggested terms and it's going to take us to the search results. Now, apart from searching using a keyword, you can also search by title, author, and so on. So we have here the search results. You can apply limiters to further refine your search. So you can tap on peer reviewed. You can also limit the results to full text. You have your all dates. I can limit this to past 5 years and tap on apply. And you also have here the source type. You have academic journals, conference materials, magazines, and so on. Let's now review the results. So as you can see, there is a bookmark icon next to the title of the resource. Once you tap on the bookmark icon, the icon changes to a solid color, indicating that you have successfully bookmarked this icon. So if you wish to remove the article from your bookmark articles, tap on the icon again. Now, if You're logged into the mobile app using your Find My Organization option. Bookmark articles are saved until your login expires or you log out of the app. So once you're no longer logged in, bookmark articles are removed. But when you log into the EBSCO mobile app with your personal user account, articles that are bookmarked in the app are also saved to your personal My EBSCO folder and are available from anywhere you log in to EBSCO Host or EBSCO Discovery Service. Now let's tap on the title and it takes us to the bibliographic information. You have the title, you also have here the subjects. If you scroll down, you can read the abstract and you have the additional information such as the authors, the document type, POI, and so on. You can also tap on the More Like This. So the More Like This button enables you to discover related content in the mobile app based on recent article views. The More Like This tab on the detailed record for an article will show you other items related to the one that we're currently viewing. So you can tap an article to view the detailed record and access the full text when available. There is also an option to share this. Just tap on the share icon at the top right, and this will allow you to share this via your apps. So we have different apps. You can share this via Teams, WhatsApp, and so on. Now let's try to access this article in full text. I'll click on Access Options, and as you can see, it's available in PDF and online full text. I can also listen to the content if I want to. So I'll tap on PDF full text, and it takes me to the full text version. So here is the full text version. If you want to zoom in the content, you can move your index and your thumb fingers away from each other. So that's how you can zoom in. You have the title here. You can also tap on the accessibility support for users with disabilities. So if you want to access this in a different format, you can fill out this form and click on Submit. Now, if you want to go back to the bibliographic record, just tap on the back arrow and you have here the bibliographic information. You can also tap on the subjects to rerun or to run a new search. I can tap on supply change and it takes me to the search results. To access the items that you bookmarked, you can tap on the bookmark icon. So it sits in between the magnifying glass icon and your person icon. So you can tap on the bookmark icon, and this is where you can access all the items that you've saved. So these items will also sync with your desktop, and you can open your desktop or your mobile browser to log into your My EBSCO, and you'll see your saved items ready to open. I'd also like to provide an important update about accessing EBSCO ebooks on the mobile app. As of June 2025, both online reading and downloading for EBSCO ebooks in the EBSCO mobile app are temporarily unavailable globally while we complete accessibility enhancements. Here's a simple workaround to ensure that you can still enjoy full access to your content. First, you must log into your My EBSCO account in the mobile app and save the ebook to your dashboard. Then open your desktop or your mobile browser, log into your My EBSCO, and you'll see your saved ebooks ready to open. Once in the browser, you can read online in the EBSCO reader, download chapters, download the full book DRM free when permissions allows, In a nutshell, you can still discover and view ebook details in the app, but for full reading and downloading features, you can save them to your My EBSCO account instead and access them in your browser. It's quick, simple, and gives you the same great access you've used to. And that takes me to the end of my presentation. If you have any questions in the future, please feel free to contact me at ryansalas@absco.com. And I also have here my contact details, and you can contact me via Viber or WhatsApp. So thanks again, everyone, and have a great day.